AP Calculus, Unit 6, Day 48, Part 2. So we just learned that the derivative of sine x equals cosine x and derivative of cosine x equals negative sine x, or we learned that back in Unit 2 and Unit 3. So now, write what the antiderivatives of sine and cosine are. So what is the antiderivative of cosine x? Oh, that's just going to be sine x. And then what do we have to always write for these indefinite integrals? Plus the constant. And what is the integral of sine x? We have to pay attention here. So sine x is, the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x, so the integral of sine x is going to be negative cosine x with the constant of variation. So now, knowing this, we're going to do these next couple antiderivatives. So 2 sine x, the integral is going to be just 2 times negative cosine x, which is negative 2 cosine x. Integral or antiderivative of cosine x, we just said was sine x, and plus the constant of variation. Okay, now let's do the antiderivative t squared minus sine t. So that's going to be t cubed all over 3. Derivative integral of sine t is going to be negative cosine t, and we have our plus c. And now let's just simplify this and rewrite it. So 1/3 t cubed plus cosine t. And notice again, the variable of integration was dt. So that's t. So that allows me to treat this as I had been treating the x's on the previous problems. All right, why don't you try these two and check them out after. So add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. Integral of cosine x is sine x, and then add the constant. Okay, and the last one, first thing, write it like it's polynomial like. And we're going to go through and add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. And then when I rewrite this, I'm going to get 2/3 x to the 3/2 minus cosine x plus the constant. Okay, and we're going to keep looking at some uh, different ways that we can use this information to help us solve these. All right, that's going to be part 2 of day 48.